Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily add some sound when you connect to Wi-Fi. So if you want to add some customized sound, so just in app library just find here shortcuts, and in shortcuts you need to go to automation and just choose add automation, choose create personal, and here you need to find Wi-Fi. So just choose network, to what network you want to connect to, and here is the sound. So just choose next, add action, media, and now you just can record some media if you want, or you can also add some music from your library. So after just click on next, and it will successfully add the sound. And when you every time connected to your Wi-Fi, you will hear the sound. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.